Good day, viewers. You are welcome back to Aliphatic Teaches. Today, we are going to be talking about indices in mathematics class. Indices, since we know, the singular is index, is one of the vital topic in mathematics. Now, indices have some laws that we have to understand the laws before we can venture into solving of these indices. Law 1. When we have x raised to power a multiplied by x power b, in mathematics, x raised to power a, this x is called the base, while this a is called the power. Both of them have the same base, so we have x power a. This multiplication is going to change to addition at the power plus b. Second law. When we have x raised to power a divided by x power b, we pick one of the base, x power a. This division will change to minus as the power minus b. Please let us note, it's going to be changing at the power, not at the base. The third one, when you have x raised to power 0, anything raised to power 0 is going to equal to 1 when your x does not equal to 0. So when this x doesn't equal to 0, any value raised to power 0 will equal to 1. Rule 4, when we have s raised to power minus a, in indices, this minus here will change to 1 over. So we have x raised to power a. Minus has changes to 1 over. Please, this minus, we want to change to 1 over, the s power what? A. Number 5 rule, the law 5. When you have s raised to power a divided by b, it's going to be equal to a over b will be equal to, you draw your square roots, this x here will be inside, then this base b will be here, then raised to power a. Or 6, when we have x raised to power a, open bracket and close it, b. In mathematics, these brackets do refer to multiplication sometimes. So we are going to have x power a multiplied by b, that is x power a times b, ab. So this one is quite different from this. Your multiplication here is at the power, your multiplication here is at the base. So the one at the base will change to addition at the power, while the one at the power remains the multiplication. So these are the rules of indices, and these are what I'm going to build on in working or solving our examples. Example 1 reads, simplify. The first one, we want to simplify. Question A, 10 raised to power 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3. Since the base are the same, we pick one of the base, 10 raised to power 2. Don't forget the law of indices, law 1. This multiplication will change to addition at the power. Then you put your 3. So we have 10 raised to power 2 plus 3, we have what? 5. So 10 raised to power 5, you can write it or you leave your answer this way. Question B, m raised to power 3 times m raised to power 5. Pick one of the base, we have m raised to power 3. Multiplication changes to addition at the power plus 5. So we have m raised to power 3 plus 5, we have what? 8. Question C, we have r times r raised to power 0 times r raised to power minus 5. Here in this case, the base are the same. You pick one of the base, r raised to power what? But there's something here. This r that is here has raised to power something. As I discussed in my previous class, when we have r like this, it has 3 attributes. 1, it has raised to power 1. It should not be written until when we need it. It has divided by 1. Also, it has positive sign before it. All this one will not be written until when we need them. Now, here now, since this has a power of 0, power of minus 5, let us put this one 1. then times r raised to power 0 times r raised to power minus 5. So pick one r raised to power 1. This multiplication changes to addition plus 0. Then this one changes to addition plus minus 5. Open and close the brackets. So r raised to power 1 plus 0 we have 1. Plus times minus, minus 5. So we have r raised to power 1 minus 5, we have minus 4. This is not the final answer. According to what we learned in our laws of indices, this minus here we change to 1 over, then we now have r raised to power 4. The last one, question D, 5y multiplied by 4y raised to power 4. Look at this y and y. This has a power of 4. This has no power. Don't forget, you have to put the power to be what? 1. And they both have different coefficients. This is 5, this is 4. If you look at this one, no coefficients. So we just take the base m. Likewise, this one, 10, no coefficient. But there's a coefficient here. First, take the coefficients out. We have 5 multiplied by 4. Then times y. So this y we have raised to power 1 times y raised to power 4. So we now have 5 times 4, 20 times, pick one y raised to power 1. Multiplication changes to addition. So we have 20 y raised to power 1 plus 4, we have what? 5. Example 2. Simplify. Question A. M raised to power 8 divided by m raised to power 5. As we explained in the example 1, pick one of these base. We have m raised to power 8. This division changed to what? Minus. Then 5. So we have m raised to power 8 minus 5. We have what? 3. So that is the answer. Question B. X raised to power 3 divided by x raised to power minus 5. Pick one of the base. X power 3. This one changes to minus. Minus, then minus 5. When two signs meet, you open bracket and close the bracket. So we have x power 3 minus times minus plus 5. So x power 3 plus 5, we have what? 8. Question C. We have 22n raised to power 7 divided by 2n raised to power 3. Looking at this, the coefficients are different. This is 22, this is 2. So let us deal with the coefficient first. That is 22 divided by 2. And don't forget, 22 n raised to power 7 can be written as 22 times n raised to power 7. So what is joining them together is multiplication. Fine. So 22 divided by 2, then multiplied by n raised to power 7, then divided by n raised to power 3. Meaning 2 here 1, 2 here 11. So we have 11 times, pick one of these n raised to power 7. The division changes to what? Minus at the power minus 3. So we have 11n, 7 minus 3, we have what? 4. 11n raised to power 4. Example 3. Simplify the first one. 19 raised to power 0. We know from the law of indices that anything raised to power 0 equals to 1. Our answer here is 1. Question B. 6 times z raised to power 0. That is 6 multiplied by z to the power 0. N to the power 0 is what? 1. 6 times 1, we have what? 6. So, this is the application of the first and the second laws, the first, second, and the third laws of indices. So, in our subsequent class, we are going to be talking about the other laws of indices and their application. I remain Latif Ismaila Akobi, your mathematics and chemistry tutor. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so and click the notification bell for my subsequent classes. Thank you.